most of you who don't know what a snake looks like, this is a snake. So you can go to any angle. So let's get my snake right there and let's see what she got. Okay, so I have it right there. And it's on. And that's locked it. Okay, pretty much seem like the more they advance, the more the system gets more complex. So the same thing applies here. If that pen fall into that place, oh, that will be the end. So save the 10 at all costs, guys. Save the 10 at all costs. Gotta get my hands in there. Oh, I saved the queen right there. That's the queen. Where is she? That shit. That's shit right there. I'll get their hands there again. Okay, here we go. So now it's out. So what we're gonna do? You wiggle it, wiggle, 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 wiggle. Oh, it's out. Okay. Now I gotta do the same thing. Whatsoever you do to the least of my brothers, Dad, you do unto me. That's it. When I was hungry, you gave me food to eat. How many of you still remember those songs? Okay, so we're gonna get this one out of the way. Now the next one is the boogeyman. The boogeyman is right there. That's not where the camera should focus. The camera should focus down there. So what you're gonna be needing to lose this place, that board in place there, is hex. So let's get X. Triple X, where are you at? Can someone get triple X down there? And it should be going to 532. That's what I'm looking at. That's gonna be losing that guy over there, that expansion valve. 32, 532. I think even without the snake, you should be able to do it straight up. So let's get the snake out of the way. It might bite someone. Get this one right in there. You have to find the right, is 532, 5/32. That's gonna lose it. Don't do mistake right there. They don't overtalk it. If you overtalk it, you're gonna damage the evaporator connector right there. It's not hard talking that's gonna make it, because Mercedes changed the expansion valve for this very model. They don't use their old one where you have to depend on the torque to fasten it in place. And here we got a problem because the boat won't let it they won't let it sit in place. So we're gonna be losing anyone that is stepping in our way. We're gonna butcher them out so we can lose things out of the place. Okay, now we've locked it. Now here is the challenge. The challenge here is you're gonna be losing these out so that the 532 can get in there. So in order to lose this out, there is a good one that can be able to lose it, and it's 4mm. 4mm, gentlemen. So let's lose that one out. Come on, man. Don't break the windshield. I ain't got no money to fix any windshield on this car. We don't want any collateral damage. We just want to do a job. Okay. So here we go. I'm gonna save the word in this one again. Save the word, save the word, save the word, save the word. Come on, man. Get your ass out of that place. Kind of really stuck and tight, but I just gotta take it easy because that place is really tight. Let me see if the snake can do it better. Let's see if the snake can do it better, because my big hand can get in there. So here we go. Now the snake, I'll step into the game. It's gonna bite him out. Not quite easy. Just trying to get this thing out. She is proving stubborn. Maybe I gotta double my extension so you can do it faster. Okay, yeah, that's better. This one rocks it better. Oh yeah. So let's get it right in there and kick his ass. Okay, you gotta save another queen because that boat right there is a special boat. Oh my god, it just fell in there. Shit. Damn. Christ. Okay, we've saved the queen, so let's go over to removing the expansion valve. Right there. She's still not responding, even though I'm romancing it, caressing it, doing all the kind of foreplay, playing a gynecologist. Still, she wouldn't come out. Okay, I think we're getting right there. So, yeah, she's responding right now. I guess she like this kind of foreplay right now. Okay, come on, buddy. We gotta talk, man. Come on, man. We gotta talk. Shit. Oh. Okay. Here she goes. Come on, buddy. We gotta talk. She used to be very simple. Be careful not to lose any of them, because that is the most special boat right here that to get your hands on it is a problem. So gotta want first one out. Let's keep it safe. Now let's go over to the second one. And we got the second one out. Okay. So right now, it's time to get this one out. This is always being secure with 10mm bolts, so it won't come out very simple sometimes, but guess what? We made it. So this is more the same expansion valve used on a Peugeot 407, so you can see how dirty that is. So once you get this one out, use the same method to get the second one. Don't forget the two seals that is right there. The new one, the new part is going to be coming with a seal with it, so you replace it and you are good to go. Okay, that's for those of you who want to replace expansion valve. But for me, I think this is pretty much where I'm going to be stopping on this episode of rebuilding Ml350, replacing expansion valve, replacing compressor, replacing condenser, flushing the system, flushing the evaporator. If you have any problem with your Ml350 and you're in Nigeria or Mercedes model, feel free to contact me. My number is on my own landing page on YouTube here. Gotta catch you guys later. This is Dr. Code Fix. Bye for now.